What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and like every year, I spent a lot of time at CES looking for the best headphones coming out in the new year, and here's what I found. So first up, I had to pop by the Sony booth to see what new stuff they've got coming out, and I actually found something pretty interesting in a new pair of completely wireless earbuds. Now everybody's making their own version of these nowadays, but Sony seems to be a little bit different. These are designed for people who are really active, as there's a big focus on comfort, fit, and sweat proofing. They even come with wingtips to ensure a secure fit. Things like AirPods don't fit my ears, so I was pretty happy when I tested these out and they did not budge. Now, I didn't get a chance to extensively test out the sound or bass of these earbuds, but Sony's supposed to be integrating their extra bass features onto these, so that's got me pretty excited. And these are also going to include noise canceling and an ambient sound mode that we've usually seen on some of the higher priced headphones like the 1000X, so it's going to be pretty cool to see them here. And that's going to bring some nice versatility with these. With active noise canceling, you're of course drowning out everything around you, but with the ambient sound mode, if you're being active, you're maybe jogging or doing something like that, you'll be able to hear your surroundings better even though these are in earbuds. And you can also hear somebody who's along with you, so if you're talking, you can hear that. So that's going to be a pretty nice offering that you don't typically see on any earbuds. And we're getting about 3 hours of battery life with active noise canceling, and I believe it's supposed to double if you don't use it. And you also get the carrying case that you typically see with truly wireless earbuds that can recharge it and give it an additional 9 hours. And these earbuds are also going to be able to work with Google Assistant. I believe that's supposed to be coming in a future update with these, but Google Assistant features are always going to be a nice thing. These fit well, they look pretty good, and they're going to come in a bunch of different color options, so I'm pretty excited for these to come out. I have links to these and the other headphones that I talk about down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. And now we've got another pair of headphones from, of course, another reputable brand, Audio-Technica. These are the ANC 700BT. I really have no idea where they get these names from. These are another pair of active noise canceling Bluetooth headphones, and they may not look like much on the exterior, but I'm actually appreciating headphones that aren't too flashy nowadays. I'm getting old. You pretty much have the logo on the ear cups, a few buttons, and that's about it. And the reason why they're able to keep these so minimalist is because they now have integrated touch panels on the left ear cup for you to control your music. It's a 3-section touch panel that works pretty similarly to any inline remote that you find on a typical pair of earbuds or headphones. But you can use some swiping gestures if you want to change the track that you're listening to. Now, I did get a few minutes to play around with these, and I did find them to be pretty comfortable. From what I could tell so far, the sound was pretty good, but of course, need more time with them. But what really impressed me was the active noise canceling and the fact that I was able to completely tune out everyone on the show floor. And if you've ever seen the crowds on the show floor, you know that's a big deal. And what I also really like is the price. These are going to be going for about $200, which I honestly think is a pretty good deal when you compare them to other headphones that are similar to these from brands like Sony, Bose, or even Sennheiser. These come in black and gray and are supposed to have a 25-hour battery life when you have Bluetooth and active noise canceling on. Honestly, I really want to get my hands on these because they look like a really good option in terms of value and performance. And last but not least, I had to talk about the Sennheiser HD820s. These have been getting a ton of attention lately. These are the closed-back cousins of the HD800s, which are a pair of bomb open-back audiophile grade headphones. Now, even though these are a pair of closed-back headphones, they've got these Gorilla Glass plates on the sides that help to bring down the reverb so that they can sound similar to a pair of open-back headphones. And even though these guys look pretty massive, they're actually light and very comfortable to wear. They also have a companion amplifier that's called the HDV820, which gives the headphones the juice it needs to get the full range of sound out of them. Now, it's gonna cost you a pretty penny if you plan to get your hands on these, especially if you get them together, but if you love audio and you love the HD800s, these are probably gonna be worth looking into. Now, I personally hope I could get my hands on these, but I'm not holding my breath. And that's about it, guys. I know this is a pretty short list, but there wasn't much that I saw out there. If I did miss anything though, you guys need to let me know with a comment down below. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.